You guys prank?
Hey guys, Fat Honk Cooks here. We're here with Alpha Durams, and we are going to be making sausage, and peppers. We're at
Walgreens.
Here at Walgreens.
My name's Michael Jackson. I'm not.
We're at Walgreens.
Wait, but I thought we were at Target.
We're at Walgreens.
I thought we were at Target.
We're at Walgreens. We're at Walgreens, and we have collard greens.
I just spit. What?
We're at Walgreens. My car is foggy. Very foggy. Fat honk is fat. Honk make cargo foggy. My car is vaporwave. It's very pink.
It doesn't look like shit at all. It looks really good. It really accentuates.
We're at Walmart. Okay, I'm gonna drive. Okay, guys, this is groundbreaking. We have sausage and peppers. Hey guys, back from Pink Floyd's The Wall here. We're making some sausage.
Okay, welcome back to Wall of Japanese. Today we're gonna be cooking not only sausage but also sauce. Chef Fat Nuts, what do you have to say about the sausage?
Mamma mia, that's a suck.
Oh, I didn't tell. Shall I leave it? Is that food? So, Chef, do you want to walk us through your?
So, we're getting it really smoky in here so that we got it.
Okay. I'm getting a dynamic angle to really capture the skill. Holy fuck, my eyes are burning.
Ow, that's hot. Yikes. So then, half a cup of water. Wow, I really love our sharp knives here. Okay, we need to turn this way on. So the most important part of the sausage and peppers is the onion.
The sauce is starting to simmer.
Drop the heat. Oh. Money shot.
Move these clumps out. With the peppers and onions sauteing in a pan.
That's a lot of garlic. Holy shit. Well, the sausage is probably ruined. Sweat.
I'm sure it was a good throw.
Wait, no, I gotta put paper plates inside of it.
Shut the fuck up.
Plating. Yeah. Thank you, Fat Honk. You can make me dinner any day. Hey guys, Fat Honk.
Shit.
You made the sausage and peppers. You can see my wall.
Fuck. It's almost as good as mom's. Wow. Chef at Honk, this is definitely actually, this is probably the best one so far.
I mean, it's honestly really easy to make.
Mm-hmm.
Just follow my tutorial. You can be a great chef.
Mm-hmm. And if you want, go to my channel, teach you how to play instruments and how to
kill yourself.
Yeah, that too.
With a rubber band.
And how to use the toilet. I like it.
You're getting the shot.
Oh, okay.
So, weather's pretty good.
Mm-hmm. The cheese and butter and sauce is a nice touch. Try and get this pepper on my fork, but I'm just getting forked in the ass. You find that funny?
No. You'll see it later when I show you the video. So, have you been to Walgreens lately?
Yeah, we're all Walgreens.
Wait, I forgot. Walgreens doesn't exist.
Mm-hmm.
It's like Dominic's.
I've literally been to 3 Dominics, dude. What do you mean? There's only one in our town. Or was.
R.I.P. Dominic's.
Also, R.I.P.
R.I.P. Yams.
Yeah.
It's pretty good food, but like, I'm allergic.
Yeah. Rest in peace, Yams. Free Bobby Smurdo. Free TK. R.I.P. Betty White. She ain't dead, but for when she died. That's coming up soon. Also, dude, ASAP Mob is biased. People are like, Pert made fun of Yams' death. That's not okay, but Rocky made fun of SGP's like brother's death. No one talks about it. Or like his friend.
Yeah. So I've heard that your mother's sleeping with a lot of other men besides your dad. Is that true?
Why would you ask me a question like that? You know it's a sensitive topic.
So I heard that your mom's sleeping with lots of other men besides your dad. What are your thoughts?
I mean, the more the merrier, you know what I mean? That's, Karl Marx would have wanted it that way.
I mean, honestly, at this point, I probably slept with your mom.
I mean, I'd say that if you weren't you. Maybe like any of the other, like...
Nah, dude, Val gets tail.
So she's a furry.
And knuckles.
Yeah. Yeah.
That joke works on like 4 levels. He gets tail and knuckles, tails and knuckles. He gets tails and knuckles, like he gets pussy, but he also gets fisted. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome to Behind the Meme.
Welcome to Behind the Meme.
There's not enough hair in my food.
Not of heroin.
So I heard your mom is sleeping with a lot of men besides your dad. What are your thoughts?
Well, I'm at Walgreens.
See, that's the rule of thirds right there.
Yeah.
Like, see, we made 5 peppers. That's not 3, though.
Socrates believed that everything came in threes. That's why every time I lose. You farted once, right?
Yeah, and we need to do it 2 more times.
Riddle me this. How do you spell fart? How do you spell fart?
With letters.
Would you say that H is a letter? Is fart spelled with H?
Is H a letter?
Is it a letter?
Yes.
What is Yes? Yes is a progressive rock band famous in the 1970s for the song Roundabout. Roundabout is the outro for JoJo's Bizarre Adventure. Would you say that JoJo's
This
a
whole
letter?
video is actually using the JoJo. Fuck you guys.
The point I was making is that 4 has 4 letters in it, therefore 4 is the answer to the universe. That's why the rule of thirds is fake, because 3 is 5, 3/5 is 2.
So your mom is sleeping with lots of other men besides your dad. What are your thoughts?
So your mom's sleeping with Walgreens, what's your thoughts? Oh shit.
That hunk doesn't need hands.
Try holding the food. If you really don't need hands, eat it with no hands then.
Yeah, Fat Hunk needs hands. What are peppers?
Well, if you look at it from the perspective that peppers are like a plant, right?
Everything's actually made out of
Water?
thoughts.
Like women? Or
No, like thoughts. Like you think of things and then they exist. Like everything that you see is just neurons, you know? So like what if your neurons like keep messing stuff up?
I still can't make myself a girlfriend.
It's just hard for anyone to imagine.
I also can't.
It's like George Z. Fisher getting a girlfriend. Have you seen Rat Movie?
Have you seen the Rat movie?
Have you seen the Rat Movie?
Which one?
Have you seen the Rat Movie?
I mean, yeah, I've seen the first one.
Are you made of peppers?
I wouldn't say so. It depends on your perception. Do you believe? What's your?
You've got to be a part of soil. You know what I mean? So.
Yeah. Everything is dirt. Everything is dirt. It's like the duality theory. People believe that there's a one element to everything, but I believe Taoism, too, the yin yang, black and white, Michael Jackson. Anyway, so what ends up happening is it's grass and dirt. Everything is grass and dirt. Look at Minecraft. The Minecraft symbol is a dirt block with grass on it. Ah, fuck, never mind. Looks like a hemorrhoid shit.
Alright, guys. This was my wedding. Me and Leah got married after 70 years of just platonic sex, but now we're gay. Bye, guy. Fat honk, I love you.
That's a fucking video. Goddamn.